Think needing to make 100 ads needs 100 hours? Think again. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of MakeUGC.ai. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, it stands as the next evolution in content creation. Now, it is an automated ad factory that also merges AI innovation with the real world marketing needs. So, with the Sora integration, the platform generates that cinematic quality video content instantly. So what it also does is that it multiplies it into dozens or even hundreds of ad variations every day. So this automation ensures that the brands stay visible, relevant, and ahead of the trend cycles without lifting a finger. So at the center of this platform, guys, is that more than 300 AI avatars each that are customizable in face, in voice, and it also delivers their own style. So marketers can actually mix and match the personalities to fit any target audience, maintaining that fresh, localized engagement without ever hosting a casting call or that very expensive production shoot. So it's going to take a lot of time for you to, source out your models, source out your equipment, the production team and all that. It's going to involve a lot of money. Now, this is actually going to make all those financial expenses more efficient. Now, MakeUGC.ai is also redefining the product placement through the AI generated product in hand B-roll, and by simply uploading an image, users will be able to actually see their product appear naturally within the scenes. Now, guys, the output is hyper realistic and optimized for platforms just like TikTok, you have Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now, finally, MakeUGC.ai delivers that consistency and the speed that is unmatched by any agency or freelancers. So the campaigns for multiple products can be generated in minutes, and it ensures that the brand alignments and the rapid iteration all without talent sourcing, you have revisions and agency overheads. Okay, so you can scratch all those off. So in short, this is transforming how ads are made, which combines the automation, creativity, and the personalization to deliver that limitless on-brand content at the speed of AI. So you gotta take advantage of technology. That way you will be able to, make very good choices and actually get those very high quality ads in the palm of your hand. So stop waiting on the teams, guys. Start producing hundreds of ads for cents. Go ahead and try out MakeUGC.ai, your ad factory in the cloud. When you log in, okay, so if you click on login right here, this is the one that you will see. Now, this is not rocket science. So you could put in your script right here. This is going to be your prompt. You could put in an AI script writer. You could put in the talking actors, generate that and play around with it. See for yourself the power of Make UGC AI at the palm of your hands. So go ahead and check this one out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.